Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Infinix Note 40 5G smartphone, and here I have ordered this from Flipkart. You can also get this. Let's unbox this. And friends, here it is written at the top: Infinix Note 40 5G smartphone, that is sound by JBL, and it is a variant of 256 GB and 16 GB, 8 plus extended GB of 8 GB, and that it has processor of Dimensity 7020 with 5G chipset. And another side you will get warranty only in India, made in India product है. And friends, at the back and at the this side you will see here it has also given max space case, mag kit, mag case, mag pad. Here it is the mag pad. And at another side you can see here it is 15 volt of wireless mag charge it has, with 33 volt of all round fast charge 2.0, and it has sound by JBL. And let's unbox this. First, here it is the smartphone box, friends, and here it is the magpad. Here it is, you can see 15 volt of magnetic wireless fast charger pad, new magnetic charging experience, zinc alloy shell, lightweight and slim design, 53 grams of it, and it has type C port. Let's unbox the mobile phone first. And here you have to just, friends, here it is the Infinix Note 40 5G smartphone. Here you can see. Let's put this aside and unbox what is in the box. Here you have to remove the tray, and you will get 33 volt of charger by Infinix. You can see. And here it is charger A to type C. You can see USB to type C lead. It has 1 meter long, and a SIM tool tray. And here it is some user manuals, and you can see this is user guide. You can read this all. And you will also get this mobile phone stretcher auxiliary cleaning kit. It is basically a cleaning kit also get. And here are some stickers. You can just remove it and put it in the somewhere else. You can see stickers and protective. And here it is screen protector, you can see. And it also has this case. This is the plastic case, you can see. And here it is of course a magpad option, and it of course a plastic one. Let's unbox the magpad. Friends, let's talk about the magpad. Here it is the wireless magnetic charger with 15 volt of magnetic wireless fast charging pad, and it has type C port and 53 grams of weight. Let's unbox this. And you have to just open the tray like this, and you will get this Infinix magpad, you can see, friends. And here it is the magnet, and you will get this type C port to charge it. I will show you how you can. And here it is some user manual, you can also read this. And let's talk about the mobile phone. Just unwrap this, and here it is, friends. You can see its display, and its sides are aluminum, and you can see its matte finish design and its camera. And it has power button, volume rocker button up and down, and at the bottom you will see microphone, type C port charging, here you can see. And here it is their speakers. and here you can get this SIM card tray, and at the top you will see here JBL sound by JBL. It has speaker and this is microphone. Let's open this and set up, and I have to just skip this and set up this. Friends, here I have set up this smartphone, and I have to show you this how to charge your MagSafe and connect to this mobile. First you will see here it is the type C port. You have to just connect this lead like this, and here you will get this red light like this. Red like this means it is not being charged. Then you have to put in the base like this, and then you have to put your phone on this. And friends, you can see it is charging. You have to just take this and put on this, and friends, you can see it is charging wirelessly. You can see the animations. The animation of this mobile phone are very good. You can see it is all aluminum. Friends, let's talk about its design. The design and the color is very good. It has two variant of colors. I have ordered in black. It has gold option also, and here it is the three cameras. It has 108 megapixel of main camera, 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel of camera. It DSLR like pictures and great zoom. And let's talk about the front camera, friends. Front camera, it has 32 megapixel of camera that takes attractive selfies with clear and sharp colors, and its display is very large. You can see that is 6.78 inch of full HD plus AMOLED display that captures cinematic display and sharpest colors. And also it has 5000 mAh of massive battery that been charging that can last up to 2 days. Let's test about this camera, and here I have taken some pictures also. First, let's check its camera resolutions. First, you have to click on videos. Here it is the camera resolution button. Click on it, and you can see it has 2K at 30 fps option. It has 1080 pixel at 60 fps, 1080 pixel at 30 fps, and 720 pixel at 30 fps. And let's talk about its camera quality. The camera quality is very good. When you just zooming your video, it will cover your full screen. You can see, and you can see how zoom can you do. And I have taken the picture also. You can just zoom it and it is not blurry. You can see it is a random photo. I have not clicked in the focus way, and you can see the watermark also. The clarity and the contrast are very good of this smartphone. You can see. And let's talk about its camera feature, friends. It has film mode that you can capture your small videos like motion, parties, performance, travel, vintage, family, street, superstar, beats. There are lots of more. And here it is AI camera, and you can capture it from the 3x zoom also. And here it is portrait mode. When you just zoom something, the other items at the background will be blurred. And click on super night. When you just click on your click photo in the night, you will get clear and crisper photos. And click on more. Here it is lots of more options like slow motion. You can capture slow motion videos, time lapse videos, realize quick playbacks of the scenery changing process you shoot. It has dual video option. You can capture dual video like front camera at half side and back camera at half side at the dual video. Record videos of combined footage camera captured by dual cameras at the same time. Here it is short videos also. You can make fun videos like a 10-second, 20-second video. Sky shot that shoots the sky with a variety of sky effects. You have to just point it out at the sky. You will get to know about more features. Pro feature manually modify camera parameters to take more professional images. Here it is documents. You can just click some photos to make documents without any app. Here it is AR shot, shoot and enhance fun photos and videos with variety of materials. You can see friends, and you will get there are lots of more another icons. Let's talk about its sound quality and video quality friends. First we have to know about its refresh rate. Friends, it has 120 hertz of refresh rate. You can see how smooth it is. When you just simply click on any of the app like this, you can see how fast it is opening. You can see friends, if you are playing the game or something, you will get immersed in the game. I show you in the settings, and you have to write a refresh like this, and here it is screen refresh rate. You will get 120 hertz. This will bring the smoothest visual experience but will signify increase the power consumption. You can see friends. Let's talk about its video quality. First you have to click on 4K video, and here I have just play the video and I show you the brightness of this smartphone. Friends, you can see its video quality. When I just zoom the video, it will be in full screen view, and I have just increased the brightness first. You can see, and its highest quality picture is in the advanced setting is 4K at HDR plus HDR. That is a good part of this. You can see the clarity is very good. It's I'm just watching it and it's like a 3D. I'm watching a 3D video. And let's talk about its sound quality test. First you have to just write on this any music, and I will show you the music quality test. You can see friends, it has two sides of speaker at the bottom and at the top. At the top you will see here JBL branding, sound by JBL. There are many more speaker. You can see this speaker, this microphone, and at the bottom you will see there are more speaker here. That is a good part of this smartphone. I am making a gaming video of this smartphone, performance test and many more. You can watch it in my channel. I have given the link in my description. You have to watch it. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.